Are you an aspiring designer? Do you want to know everything there is to know about Adobe Illustrator like right now? Are you ready for the hack of the century? Well, if you answered yes to any or all of those questions, I have the video for you. Yes, that's right, I'm Tom Graham for Envato Tuts Plus, and in this very special video, I'm going to walk you through absolutely everything that you need to know to master Adobe Illustrator. And the best part, we're going to do it in 5 minutes. Now, I bet you didn't think you'd be able to master one of the greatest design softwares in only 5 minutes, but I've really gone above and beyond for this one, just for you. All right, enough talking, get that notepad out and let's start our journey into Adobe Illustrator, like right now.
Hi there, my name is Dan Scott and I'm an Adobe certified instructor for Illustrator here at Envato Tuts Plus. And together, you and me are going to learn the basics of Adobe Illustrator. We're going to create a new document to draw our penguin on. Let's go to File, let's go to New.
Ha ha ha, very funny, April Fools, I know. Well, the actual real hack here is to make sure you're subscribed to the Envato Tuts Plus YouTube channel, and you can check out the full-length courses that we're putting up for free daily on things like Illustrator, Premiere, Photoshop, DaVinci, all of those great programs. Go and check it out. There's bound to be something there for you. All right, let's let this joke play out.
yeah, that's the end. I never know what to do with these end parts. It's kind of what I like to just keep talking until I run out of things to talk about. And we get to that awkward bit where I just stare at the camera for a while. I'll wave though. We're at that point. Bye now. Hope to see you in another course. I'll keep waving for a while.